Looking for a tough, ultra-smooth action camera that doesn't overheat mid-adventure? Say hello to the DJI Osmo Action 6, DJI's boldest GoPro competitor yet. Let's dive into what makes this camera stand out in 2024. The Osmo Action 6 features a rugged, compact design built for real-world adventures. It's waterproof up to 10 meters without a case, shock-resistant and dust-proof. Dual touchscreens, one on the front and one on the back, make frame checking and vlogging incredibly easy. And the magnetic quick-release mount? It makes switching angles a breeze. Here's where this camera really shines: video performance. The Osmo Action 6 shoots gorgeous 4K footage at up to 120 frames per second, ideal for cinematic slow-motion shots. Thanks to a larger 1/1.3-inch image sensor, it performs better in low light and captures more dynamic range than its predecessor. With RockSteady 3.0 and Horizon Steady Stabilization, your footage stays buttery smooth, even during high-intensity sports. One common complaint about action cameras? Overheating. But DJI tackled that head-on. The Action 6 handles extended 4K recording far better than most competitors. Its 1,770 mAh extreme battery gives you around 90 minutes of shooting at 4K 60 frames per second. DJI packed this camera with smart features too. Quick transfer speeds up wireless footage transfer to your phone. The color temperature sensor helps footage look more natural in changing lighting conditions. It even supports vertical video mounting natively, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. So, is the Osmo Action 6 worth it? If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance action cam with incredible stabilization, stunning 4K video, and solid battery life, this is one of the best in the game. Whether you're a vlogger, biker, skier, or content creator, the Osmo Action 6 is built to take on whatever you throw at it. Like this review? Hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Osmo Action 6 or GoPro Hero 11? Which one's your pick?